Alright, so for today's bike check, we will be checking out Captain Aristotle Hababag's tri-bike. This is a giant Trinity Pro in colored white, extra small in size. So this bike is running Shimano Ultegra R8070, the electronic version, running 1128 in cog ratio and 5236 crank ratio. So the crank has the Rotor Q-rings oval and KMC gold chain. So with the cockpit, Captain Hababag is running with the 51 Speedshop J-bend Aerobars and the giant Trinity stock Basebar, the integrated one. For the wheel set, Captain Hababag is running Nation Cycling 60mm rims with GP 5000 by Continental, 25mm in width, front and rear. So this is a carbon rim with aluminum brake line. So for the last part, the free hub sound check. Let's do it the GCN way. Let's go. Sounds very nice. Alright, so that is the giant Trinity Pro of Captain Aristotle Hababag.